वो नीचे है, सबसे नीचे है, वो रहने दो, बाद में कर लेंगे। क्या हुआ सिंगल? बोलो।
Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be speaking about my experience by using this priority pass in different lounges. Recently I used this priority pass in Bangkok airport, that is Don Mang International Airport. I hope you guys have seen my video. If not, please do check out. I'll add it in the cart here and also leave it in the description below. So I've used this priority pass in 3 international airports so far. So the first one being Dubai in 2021 December, and the second time I used this priority pass was in Nepal, that is in May 2022 when I was coming back from Kathmandu to Delhi. And recently, just a couple of weeks back, I got an opportunity to use this priority pass again in Don Mang International Airport in Bangkok. So a lot of people, when I went to Bangkok lounge, airport lounge to access this, a lot of people did not know about the priority pass. So if you don't know how to apply this priority pass, this particular priority pass, I've made a dedicated video for it. I'll try to add it here somewhere here, and I will also find that video in the description below. So if you have not seen my video, please go watch that video and then come back to this video so I can share you my experience and the FAQs for the priority pass. So first and the foremost thing, a lot of people pinged me on Instagram. A lot of people reached out to me in the comment section of that video and asking me, does this priority pass need to be activated? Absolutely not. The priority pass need not be activated. I did call the customer care personally and I checked with them, and they informed me that this priority pass need not be activated. There is no activation required for this priority pass. You don't have to call to customer care. You don't even have to do research online. Go to Google. You don't have to type. I am the proof for it. I got this priority pass from my HDFC bank, and when I checked with them, there was no reason for this card to be activated or this card to be used at all. Activated to be used at all. So the second thing that a lot of people came to me was, does this require PIN? No, again, very good question. Both are very good questions. You do not need a PIN to use this priority pass at all. Definitely not required. You just have to present this priority pass to the person in charge in the lounge. They're going to just swipe this and they're going to mark a signature on the machine, the credit card machine, whichever we have. They're going to just take our signature. You can sign it through your hand. It's basically a touch screen. So these are the two most common questions that I get from a lot of people. Even yesterday there was someone who pinged me and asked, do you need a PIN for a priority pass? So coming back to my experience in all the 3 lounges, that is Dubai International Airport in Terminal 2 and Kathmandu Airport. There's only one international terminal in Kathmandu, and Don Mang Airport. Also, there's only one international terminal in Don Mang Airport. So that is the place where I used this particular priority pass. You can watch this video right now. If you go to my videos, you can find this. I'll also link it in the description below. If you're traveling to Bangkok, Dubai or Nepal, do ping me. If you want any information on the lounge, I can present it to you in hand. So let me share my experience in the recent trip, whatever happened. When I went into the lounge, a lot of Indians came and they presented their credit card. So they didn't know that, you don't need a credit card. Credit card can be used, a normal credit card in any bank which is eligible for lounge can be used in any airports in India. So that is not a problem. You can just go present your credit card. They'll tell you if it's eligible, you're well and good. They're going to charge 2 rupees for verification and you can access the lounge. But when you travel abroad, like outside India, if you want to swipe your credit card outside India, you will need a priority pass. That is the standard rule, guys. So don't ever miss. I've tried to give this information to a lot of people on my Instagram account, on my YouTube community posts, on my YouTube channel, and whoever has pinged me, I've also tried to reach this information a lot of people through my Instagram, but still people miss out to carry this priority pass. It's free of cost. You just have to call your customer care and ask them to ship this priority pass to your home address. That's all you have to do. I've made it, like I said in the beginning of the video, I've made a detailed video about how to apply priority pass. So please check out that video and apply for this priority pass and use them in international lounges. So the thing is, when you go to any international airport, when you're coming back to India, you'll obviously have flight timings on odd timings, like you'll have night 3 a.m. Or early morning 6 o'clock, or the flight timings may be vary, and you will definitely need to use the services like having food or having a drink. Definitely you use those things. And when you try to buy this in the normal food court section of the lounge, food court section of the airport, it's going to be obviously very, very expensive, and it's definitely not affordable. In the sense, the prices what you get outside is very expensive in the airport, right? So when you have this priority pass, it becomes very easy for you to access this in any international airports. Over 158 countries accept this priority pass as an entry to your lounge, free of cost. You can stay there for 3 hours. You can even take water bottles outside the lounge and even take it to your flight, so you can save money there as well. So I've tried to communicate this information to a lot of people out there, but a lot of people miss it. So whenever you're traveling, please do keep in mind, you do have to take this priority pass along with you for a hassle-free lounge experience. So if you try to take your credit card, they're not going to accept it, and they're going to charge $25 or $50 per person, and they're going to let you inside, which is definitely not acceptable. So that's all I had to share in this video. I hope this information was really, really helpful. If you have any questions, do ping me on Instagram for immediate response, or comment in the comment section. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And I have shared my Instagram ID. I'll try to share it here, and also I've tried to share it. I've shared it in the comment section. So please do ping me on Instagram if you have any questions on this priority pass, any kind of doubts. But the two most questions that I said was, one, you don't need activation, and you don't need a PIN card. You don't need a PIN to use this card. So if you have any questions, again, please feel free to reach out to me. I've been to 3 international airport lounges, like I said, and they accepted this card, hassle-free experience. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys, that my experience on all 3 lounges, how was it, and hassle-free experience about priority pass. I'll make a dedicated video on which lounge I've used so far was the best. So please stay tuned to my channel. If you have any questions, do reach out to me. I'll catch you in my next video.